Ever wondered why the moon has a different shape every night? This celestial body, our closest neighbor in the vast expanse of space, has long captivated the human imagination. It's a beacon in our night sky, a constant yet ever-changing companion. Its phases and mysteries have driven our curiosity, leading us to reach beyond our earthly confines. From ancient astronomers to modern scientists, the moon has sparked a quest for understanding that transcends time and culture. Join me as we delve into the history of lunar exploration. Our journey to the moon began in the mid-20th century with the historic Apollo missions. Just imagine a time when technology was rapidly evolving and the space race was in full swing, fueling the world's imagination and forever changing our perspective of the universe. The Apollo program, spearheaded by NASA, was an ambitious project that aimed to send humans to the moon and safely return them to Earth. It was a monumental task, both thrilling and daunting, with the world watching every step of the way. The first manned mission, Apollo 1, unfortunately, ended in a tragic fire during a ground test, reminding us of the immense risks involved in space exploration. However, the indomitable spirit of human curiosity and resilience pressed on. Apollo 7 was the first mission to carry astronauts into space. And then there was Apollo 8, the first to orbit the moon. A voyage that gave us the iconic Earthrise image, reminding us of our shared home's fragility. But it was Apollo 11 that truly captured the world's heart. On July 20th, 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong took that iconic giant leap for mankind, becoming the first person to set foot on the lunar surface. He was soon followed by Buzz Aldrin, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. The Apollo missions didn't stop there. In total, 12 astronauts walked on the moon, conducting experiments, collecting lunar rocks, and leaving instruments to send data back to Earth. These missions were about more than just reaching the moon. They pushed the boundaries of human potential, showcasing our ability to overcome challenges and realize dreams that once seemed beyond reach. As we look back at the Apollo missions, we're reminded of the spirit of exploration and discovery that drives us. We see that when we dare to dream big, we can achieve the extraordinary. These missions were just the beginning of our lunar journey. The moon's surface is a testament to cosmic history. An eerie landscape etched with countless craters and basins. The lunar surface tells us a story of celestial collisions and the resilience of our closest celestial neighbor. Impact craters on the moon serve as a chronicle of its past. They are formed when asteroids and comets collide with the lunar surface, creating these fascinating features. The moon, unlike Earth, lacks an atmosphere to protect it from such impacts. This absence of atmospheric protection allows us to see the moon's history written clearly on its face, a silent testament to the cosmic ballet that unfolds in our solar system. Now let's delve into the intriguing tales of some of the moon's most famous craters. First, we have Tycho, a relatively young crater named after the Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe. With its sprawling ray system that stretches over 1,500 kilometers, Tycho is one of the most prominent features on the lunar surface. Its rays, which are ejecta from the impact, extend far and wide, painting a vivid picture of the energy and force involved in its creation. Next, we journey to the moon's near side to visit Copernicus, another prominent crater. Copernicus, named after the famous Polish astronomer Nicholas Copernicus, is a classic example of a complex crater. With its terraced walls and central peaks, it provides a textbook illustration of the processes involved in the formation of large impact craters. But these craters are more than just fascinating landmarks. They are windows into the past, helping scientists understand the moon's geological history and the early solar system. By studying these craters, we've learned about lunar rock types, the moon's interior structure, and even about the history of impacts in the solar system. These craters are the moon's way of telling its own celestial story, a story of resilience, of a silent guardian standing watch over Earth, bearing the scars of cosmic history with grace. So the next time you gaze at the moon, remember each crater has a tale to tell. A tale of a time when a celestial wanderer met the moon in a fiery embrace. The moon's influence extends beyond its surface, affecting our very own planet. Its gravitational pull reaches out across some 238,000 miles of space to gently tug at Earth's oceans. This tug creates a bulge, an elevation of water resulting in what we know as high tides. As the Earth spins on its axis, different areas pass through these bulges, experiencing high tide. Conversely, when an area is not in these bulges, it experiences low tide. This ebb and flow, this rhythm of the seas, is a direct result of the moon's influence. It's a dance, a ballet of celestial bodies choreographed by the laws of physics. And it's not just the oceans. The moon's gravity also impacts the Earth's tilt, contributing to the stability of our planet's climate. This celestial dance between Earth and the moon shapes our daily life. Fast forward to the present, and our fascination with the moon is as strong as ever. As we stand on the brink of a new era, lunar exploration is no longer confined to the pages of science fiction, but is a reality we are witnessing unfold before our very eyes. The last few years have seen an impressive resurgence in moon missions. Leading the charge is NASA's Artemis program. This ambitious initiative aims to return humans to the lunar surface by the end of the decade, with a goal of establishing a sustainable human presence by the year 2030. Artemis is more than just a mission. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. But NASA isn't alone in this lunar endeavor. Other nations have also set their sights on our celestial neighbor. China's Chang'e series of missions have achieved remarkable feats, including the first ever landing on the far side of the moon. These missions have expanded our understanding of the lunar environment and opened up new possibilities for future exploration. India too has made significant strides with its Chandrayaan-2 mission. Despite the setback of losing its lander, the orbiter continues to send valuable data about the moon's surface and atmosphere. These missions underscore the determination of our global community to unravel the mysteries of the moon. Unmanned missions are also playing a crucial role. Robotic explorers like lunar rovers are becoming our eyes and ears on the lunar surface, tirelessly working to gather and relay information back to Earth. These tireless explorers are helping us uncover the moon's secrets and paving the way for future human explorers. As we venture deeper into the 21st century, the moon continues to captivate us. Whether it's the prospect of setting foot on its surface again or the tantalizing possibility of discovering alien life, the moon remains a beacon of curiosity and exploration. These missions are paving the way for a new generation of lunar exploration. As we look up at the night sky, we can't help but wonder, what mysteries does the moon hold for us? With every new mission, we inch closer to finding out. But what does the future hold for lunar exploration? As we find ourselves at the dawn of a new era in space exploration, the moon continues to beckon with its timeless allure. The future of lunar exploration is not just about science and technology, it's about expanding the horizons of human experience. The next frontier? Lunar tourism. Imagine gazing at the Earth from the moon's surface, experiencing the tranquility of the lunar landscape firsthand. This isn't just the stuff of science fiction anymore. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are working tirelessly to make lunar tourism a reality. These commercial space ventures are developing technologies that could revolutionize space travel, making it more accessible and affordable than ever before. The moon, once the exclusive domain of trained astronauts, could soon be another stop on the bucket list for adventurous travelers. And it's not just about the thrill of the journey. Lunar tourism could also open up new opportunities for scientific research, commercial development, and even settlement. The moon might become a stepping stone for further space exploration, acting as a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond. The future of lunar exploration is bright, filled with exciting possibilities that could forever change our relationship with the moon. The moon isn't just for astronauts anymore. Soon you might be able to experience it up close. Before we wrap up, here are some fun lunar facts you might not know. First, did you realize the moon has a birthday? Well, not like we do, but scientists estimate it formed around 4.5 billion years ago, following a massive collision involving our Earth. Pretty intense birthday, right? And here's another lunar curveball. The moon is slowly but surely inching away from us. Each year it drifts approximately 1.5 inches further into space. That's about the same speed our fingernails grow. Did you also know that the moon doesn't have a magnetic field like Earth does? This is why it's unable to hold onto an atmosphere and protect itself from solar winds. Lastly, despite its serene appearance from Earth, the moon's surface is actually covered in dust and rocky debris. making it a rather inhospitable place for potential moonwalkers. These facts just go to show how much there is to learn about our celestial companion. From its influence on our planet to its role in shaping human history, the moon is truly fascinating. We've journeyed from ancient lunar myths to modern exploration missions, witnessed the moon's impact on Earth's stability, and even glimpsed the future of lunar tourism. We've discovered that despite its barren appearance, the moon shares intriguing commonalities with our own planet. So next time you gaze up at the moon, remember, there's more to it than meets the eye. Until next time, keep exploring.